Oh, wow.
It'll get you everywhere.
Here.
This is amazing. Karen, the MVP.
Good job, Karen.
Beautiful. So I know I am. Oh, the mushrooms.
Oh, wow.
Jill, stop laughing. There's so many. Oh, my God. Here,
Wow.
Karen.
That was like 5 minutes into the woods.
Karen, help her.
Oh, wow. How many?
Karen, here. No, those are yours. Where's your bag? In my pocket. Here, Eva. Wait.
Ava, you want to pick one?
Yes. Eva, come here, honey. Is there a picture of you? Stop picking them. Get a picture of Laura picking one. Okay, open my bag.
There you go. Good job, Laura.
Way down, Laura. Way down, but not the dirt.
Here, Ava, you see one?
Get a picture of her, Ron.
Yep.
Hold on, Eva.
Yep. Pick it up.
Yeah, there. That's perfect, Laura.
Okay, you don't take this down.
Right here.
Okay, put that in. Put that in the bag. Good job.
Isn't that wonderful?
Yep.
Oh, Karen, we're so proud of you.
Karen's the greatest. Karen, you found the big one last year, too.
Hold on. Oh, that's so cute.
Lily, good job. Good job, Ava.
Right there.
Oh.
Oh, they're darling.
Put it in a bag. Here, Ava.
Karen, how'd you even look here?
Wow.
Oh, I found one. You missed it. Two little ones right here.
Good job, Donnie.
Very little ones right here. Oh, good job, buddy.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, this is a good spot.
Good job.
That is. There you
Good job,
go.
Lily.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below. And if you want to see more videos like this come up in your feed, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to find out when our next video comes out every week, hit that notification bell below, and that'll send you a notification when our next video comes out, which we try to send them out every week. Thanks a lot for learning more about our farm, and we sure appreciate it.